Turn left onto Forest Road 30310, USF's 30310.
5-day parking. Watch out for the bears. Use a hole to poop in. Campfire. No water, no campfire. I got water. Grizzly bear.
No grizzly bear coming up.
Be bear aware.
Take your next slight right onto Forest Road 30333, USF's 30310.
I don't know why I couldn't walk here if I had to. Come your way.
Bumpity bump bump bump.
We'll see what we get when we get up here.
We're gonna get to poison ivy.
Okay. Someone was in it. They got a spot here, don't they?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't care if you got neighbors, you can't get a better view.
This is a parking lot. That's gonna be real tight.
Head to Montana, you know what I mean? Go back around, hit Idaho, and go back around. That's it. Run like that. Rain. Harder. 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 I didn't see the handle first. National Forest Campground up here on the left. We're going to try that out. It's probably full. We're probably a good 20-25 miles out of Jackson, headed toward Idaho Falls. We just crossed the state line into Idaho. I guess there's a horse ride. All dogs must be released within 200 yards of trail here. Bear attack, I guess. Well, good afternoon, everybody. We just crossed into Idaho from Wyoming. We went up to Yellowstone and down through the Grand Tetons, and then we decided that we were going to go over to Idaho Falls, look for a place to camp. Didn't have much luck coming through the Grand Teton National Forest area. Most all the places seem to be taken, but we found this campsite just about, maybe 3 miles across the Idaho state line, and it's a paid site. They got a fire pit and a table and a bear box, and we did find a pull through, and there's quite a few spots open in here. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. The fee was like $8 with your senior pass, which was pretty inexpensive. So we decided we would still just stay here instead of looking for a camp spot. A guy with a looks like a 4-wheel camper pulled up over there and There's a gentleman behind me in a camper van, and Parker's over there whining, wanting to get off that leash, but can't really let her off right at the moment because I'm walking around and Kim's inside making coffee for tomorrow morning. Maybe she'll stick her head out the window. I don't know. Kim, you there? You want to look? You want to be on YouTube? Hey. Anyway, that's it for tonight. We're just going to sit back and relax till about dark, and then we'll probably call it an evening and get back with you tomorrow.